Hello, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
What's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany. What are you doing today, Tiffany?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. Oh my God. Are you crazy?
No, I'm not.
I'm crazy.
You crazy?
Yeah. How you feel?
Nervous.
Nervous,
Yeah.
but excited?
Yeah,
Yeah?
a little bit.
And why are you doing this? Because...
It's on my bucket list.
It's on the bucket list. Yeah, cool. It's gonna be done, huh?
Yeah,
Soon.
Yeah. Sooner than later, hopefully.
Okay. Have fun.
Let's go.
I see you up there, okay, Tiffany?
Let's go.
Smile, okay, all the time. Yeehaw! Have fun. Have fun, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Hi, Tiffany! Over 6,000 feet, halfway up, almost there. How you feel?
Oh, I'm nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
That's normal, okay? He's nervous too, look at him. Oh my God. It's gonna be fine, okay? You're in a good hands. Let's go play, okay? Woohoo! Have fun. I see you outside, okay? Yeah, have fun, buddy. Have fun, girl. Hey, daddy. Have fun. Get a picture. Have fun, okay? Have fun.
Nervous at all. I'm trying. Stay zen. How you doing, Milo? He looks alright. Yeah, he looks alright. Alright, girl, we're about 6,000 feet up. So we got a few more minutes on the plane. It's go time. You ready? Yes. Go time? And a couple more thousand feet. Are you ready? No. Are you ready? As ready as I'm gonna get. You're ready. Okay, I'm ready. Alright. Anything you want to say before we do this? Oh my God. Oh shit. I'll take that. Alright, girl. I'll see you outside. Let's have some fun. Bye, guys. Woo! You ready?
Good job.
Danielle, you did it! What'd you think?
I freaked out for a second. It was fun though.
I know, at first your eyes were closed.
Yeah. Everything you guys said went out the window for a second. It was fun though.
Good. Did you have a favorite part?
Yeah, once the parachute opened, I was A-okay.
Good.
I could stay up there all day.
All right, very cool. Well, congratulations.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to our world in the
Thank
Halo.
you.
Nice job. Let me get a picture.
Good job.
Thanks, guys. Hey, you think we'll see you back out here again?
Maybe. Well, they're talking about coming back.
Very cool. Did you have a good time? Yes! Yes! Way to go, guys!
Woo-hoo! Let's go, buddy!
Thank you, I made it! Oh my
What do you
god!
think?
Oh,
How was that?
it was great!
Yeah, you like it?
No.
No. What was the best part?
Floating.
No, yeah.
No.
No landing. Yeah.
No, not only.
Last one, girl. Would you do that again?
No.
No?
Wait, I don't know. Wait.
Maybe. Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice skydive.
Take a picture, girl.
Bye, bye, Jimmy.
Hey,
Woohoo. Thank you, Tiffany.
You're welcome.
I see you next time, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.